eco-friendly materials, energy-efficient production, a smaller carbon footprint. To pave the way for a greener future in tech, semiconductor manufacturers need to evolve from lean manufacturing and embrace smart technologies. Transform to smart to reach sustainability with Siemens Smart Manufacturing for Semiconductors. Enhance your manufacturing efficiency by adopting digital and automation tools to establish a smart, connected factory that provides end-to-end visibility of your production assets and facilitates proactive decision-making. Leverage a virtual representation of your entire process nodes and fabrication lines to gain the production insights needed to eliminate defects and respins to achieve higher yields. Real-time manufacturing data can be captured via the digital twin and fed into virtual simulation models to assess forecasting scenarios, ensuring capacity and optimizing processes. Implement a cross-domain data backbone to enable all teams to collaborate in real time and efficiently mitigate issues. Thanks to this seamless data flow between the virtual world and actual world, you can continuously assess improvements and make intelligent decisions. By integrating real-time manufacturing processes, execution data, and IoT insights with robust quality management, you can achieve continuous learning and performance improvement. This enables you to execute advanced semiconductor fabrication runs with unparalleled efficiency, improving throughput, reducing costs, and accelerating time to market for next-generation technologies. Siemens solutions enable you to connect every aspect of manufacturing to reduce resource use, drive energy efficiency, and support sustainability. Transform to smart to reach sustainability with Siemens Smart Manufacturing Solutions for Semiconductors.